Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can accept message requests on Messenger. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Messenger app, and once you open your Messenger app, you need to tap on the hamburger like option. There you can find the message request, so simply tap on it and select any of the message requests that you want to accept. Once you tap on the message request, you can simply go and type in a message. So once you type in a message to the person that has sent your request, automatically his or her message request will get accepted on Messenger. So this way you can accept requests on your Messenger app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.